I'm going to suck Romania into the vacuum cleaner. Ha 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 ha. Stand back. I'm going to suck you into the vacuum cleaner in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh no you don't. Vortex Virtual Grem. How dare you try to suck me into the vacuum cleaner. That's it. I'm calling your parents. Go home right now. Hello. It's this Vortex Virtual Grem's parents. Good, your son was trying to suck me into the vacuum cleaner. Can you please ground him for this? Okay, thanks, bye.
Vortex Virtual Grem. We can't believe you tried to suck Romania into the vacuum cleaner. But luckily he stopped you from doing that. That's it. You're grounded for 2 months.
Now go upstairs to your room right now.
What?